Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to make $100 per day on YouTube without making any videos or showing your face. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you're someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure you check out my one-on-one mentorship program on YouTube, where I will reveal all my channels and I will show you guys some profitable niches with really high CPM on YouTube. And you can find links in the description to join my mentorship program. And let's go ahead and dive into this video. So the first option to make $100 per day on YouTube without showing your face is to create compilation type channels. Yeah, I don't know that compilation type channels won't get monetized and will get demonetized by YouTube, but let me show you guys the right way to do it so your channel won't get demonetized by YouTube. There are a lot of channels out there which does this exact thing and they make a lot of money. So let me show you guys some examples. So this is the first channel we're going to look at. It's CubeHub01. So you can also find this, just search it on YouTube. So this channel has like 425,000 subscribers, and let's look at Social Blade. So you can see here it's getting around like 500,000 views every single day, and let's go to the Social Blade to look at what's the average. You can see here, so per week they're getting around 2.7 million views, guys. That's a lot of views. So every month they get 11 million views, guys. So let's go back to the channel. So you can see here, so let's look at how many videos they posted on this channel. So the first video was published 2 years ago. So you can see here, this is the first video, and on total this channel only has like 25 videos on it, guys, because the content they're publishing is very viral type content. So usually videos like this will go really viral, and you can see here like some of these videos has like million views. So this one has like 8.6 million views, and this one has like 1.1 million and 7.5 million, because they only replicate the video which is already working on the YouTube. So you can see here, so this video, funniest WTF moments in sports. So you can see here, this one got like 7.5 million views in the last 4 months. So let me show you guys some example. So this is pretty much the same niche, and they have the same thumbnail. You can see here, this is the exact thumbnail they used here, and it almost got like 280,000 views and in the last 3 weeks. So you can see also this channel pretty much copies channel like this, and they come up with the topic, title and the thumbnail ideas because it went viral on this YouTube channel. So this channel also has the same opportunity, and they can also go viral on this particular video. So you can see in the last 3 weeks it got like 280,000 views. Mostly by 1 or 2 months it's going to get the same amount of view, like 7.5 or 10 million views on this particular video. So let's go ahead and let me show you guys how you can do this. So first let's look at one of their videos. So you can see here they just have video clips from all different sports, and they just compiled it together, and they just have a voiceover. So first we need to create the script so we can start creating the voiceover. So what you need to do is you need to click on these 3 dots, and you need to click on open transcript, because it will take you to the transcript section, and YouTube will automatically give you the transcript for free. So you can see here, so this is the exact transcript the voiceover actor on this particular video talks about. So you can see here, he just talks about Brian showed Stephen Curry some respect, something like that. He just gives an introduction to the scene, and he just let the clip play. So you can see here, that's what he does. So what you need to do is just remove all these unwanted transcribes like music, all those things. And once you've done that, just make sure you copy this entire script to your notepad and go to fiverr.com and search for YouTube video script writers. So you can see here, all these are video script writers. They give video scripts for YouTube and videos. So you can see all these people will charge you like $5 to $10 per script rewriting, or else you can do it by yourself. You don't have to hire someone to do it. You're just going to rewrite the script so it will become unique on YouTube. So once you have the script, all you need to do is you need to download Audacity. So let me show you guys the software. So you can see here, this is the software you need, because this software will easily record your voice, and it will remove the background noise and pretty much everything. So what you need to do is just click on record, and you need to have a mic like this, or else you can use webcam microphone, and you can record the script. What you need to do is just read the script, guys. So just click on read and just read the script, and once you've done that, just download the audio from Audacity, and let's go back to YouTube. So you can see here, so if you're going to replicate this video, you need to find 3 to 4 different channels on this particular niche, and you need to get videos from them, because we're not going to produce any new clips. We're just going to use the same clips which is performed well on the other channels. So what you need to do is you need to find clips from this video, and you need to also find clips from this video, or else you can find like 5 to 10 channels on this particular niche, and you can like take clips from all those channels and put together, and you can create a 10-minute video. So you can see here, all these videos are 10-minute plus, because if it's a 10-minute video, then YouTube will promote your video a lot, because it will have a lot of mid-roll ads on it, and you can earn much more higher compared to 8-minute or 6-minute videos. So that's the reason all this channel does the same thing. Like you can see all these videos are like 10-minute plus, So you can see here on the second channel, they also have a lot of videos on 10 minutes. So before I show you guys the second option, first let me show you guys my results. So you can see here, this is one of our channel we recently started, and this channel is really performing well right now. So you can see here in the last 28 days we got like 270,000 views. So these are real numbers, guys. So let me change this to last 90 days. So you can see in the last 90 days we made around $12,800. So this is the exact thing what we teach on the mentorship program. So if you are interested, you can find the details in the description. So let's dive in and let me show you guys the second option. So you can see here, it's a Gary Vee's YouTube channel. He's a big influencer on motivation. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a fan YouTube channel on YouTube for them. So what you need to do is we need to create channels like this. So you can see here, this is a fan channel. So let me click on this. So you can see here. So what this guy does is they just gets video from this particular YouTube channel. So if you're someone who don't want to spend any money, or you don't want to spend any time on writing your own scripts or doing your own voiceover, then you can use this method, because in this method you don't have to spend a lot of time on finding videos or creating your own voiceover, because pretty much you get both. You get the audio from this videos and you can get video from this videos, because you can use these videos, guys, because you can see here, so he's using pretty much all videos from this channel, and he's not getting this particular channel is monetized. I just saw the YouTube ads coming up. So mostly channels like this will get easily monetized, and you don't have to worry about getting copyright strike from the original content creator, because you can see here in the description section, this particular channel gave source link back to the content creator. So he's connecting Telegram, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and end of the day the main content creator gets a lot of traffic from this particular description, and he don't have to give you copyright strike to remove the video. So he won't do that. So you can see here, he have a lot of videos on his channel, and he's completely publishing one or two videos every single week. So let me also show you guys some of other channels which does the same thing. You can see here Gary Vee fan page. So this channel has like more than 276,000 subscribers on this particular channel, and they pretty much do the same stuff. So you can see here in the about section, you can see here it says like, my name is Amir, I'm 22 years old and video editor. So he says that he got permission from Gary Vee's video content team, and he's publishing videos on this channel, and he's linking back to the original channel. So this is the original channel. As long as you give the source and you get permission from the content creator, the influencer, then you don't have to worry about any copyright strikes or any other things. So the third option is creating videos by using stock footage content. So let me show you guys some examples. So yeah, this is one of the YouTube channel which does this, and it's a very famous YouTube channel, Natural Cues, and they have like almost 3 million subscribers on this YouTube channel, and they get around like 100,000 views. So let's show you guys on how they make their videos and how you can replicate this. By far this is the easiest way you can do this. So you can see here, so they just create small videos like 2 to 3 minute videos. So you can see here they just have like 2 to 3 minute videos. Pretty much all the videos they used from stock footage. So let me show you guys how you can do this. So let's go ahead and first we need to find health related websites. So let's go to this website. So it's a dailyhealthpost.com. So you can go and visit their websites. So what you need to do is you need to find articles like this. So you can see here the best sunscreen to use and the worst ones. So what you can do is just go ahead and click on this article, and what you need to do is you need to copy this entire script, and you need to get back to this particular software. It's Vietnamese. So what this software does is it automatically creates a video for you. So let me show you guys how it's done. So let's go to this one. So you can see here I already have an account on this one. So if you are interested in buying Vietnamese, then you can find the link in the description. It can give you 25% off, because it will cost you $47. So if you click on this link, you can get it for like $35. So let's go back here, and what you need to do is, so first you need to select the template. So you can see here you need to select that first template, and once you have the script done, so you can see here I just copy the script from this website, and let me go back to the software. So I just paste it here, and you need to click on edit scene. So what the software does is it automatically brings in the video clips from all over the internet, like it's stock free footages, because these videos you can use them on YouTube and you won't have any problems. You won't get any problems, guys, because all these footages are from stock blogs or else from copyright free content. You can use them for commercial purposes, so you don't have to worry about getting copyright strike or anything else. So let me click on like it gives us some highlights here, like these words from the first sentence. So I need to click on this, so it will automatically brings me much more options. So you can see here I just clicked on US and gives me a lot of clips. So all these are images. So if you want images, you need to click on image. If you want video clips, then you can click on this clips, and you can use them on YouTube, guys. I'm 100% sure that, because I have done this. So if I want to use this particular clip, I just click on this. You can see here. So why the sunscreen market in the US is such a mess. So so you can see here, so the second scene. So every sentence it will create a scene. So you can see if we take a deeper look into the US, so it's something related to US again. So I need to click on this one. So you can see here. So we just need to match the sentence with the scene, background scene. So you can see sunscreen. So let's click on FDA. So you can see here. So this soft, we can use this one because this is something related to sunscreen thing. So let's use that one, and you can see here. So sunscreen. So we can also search for sunscreen, like so I just search for sunscreens, and it automatically brings me a lot of images and clips from stock free footages. So let's use this one here. So you can see here. So this is how we're going to create your videos, because this is the exact thing this particular YouTube channel does, and they have like 3.6 million views, 3.6 million subscribers. When you have channel on this particular niche, you can sell a lot of ClickBank offers, or else you can promote a lot of affiliate offers, and you can also get paid a lot of money from Google AdSense, because you can see they're getting like 100,000 views, and for 1,000 views, mostly channel like this will get paid $5 to $10, because it's a high CPM niche, because they talk about and they make videos about health. So health is high CPM niche, and they will get good amount of CPM on this particular channel. Mostly channels like this will easily make like $10,000 to $15,000 every single month from making videos like this, because it's only going to take you like 10 to 20 minutes per day to create videos like this. So you can see it's only 3 to 4 minute videos, guys. You can easily do that. So pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this video is really helpful for you. And if you are someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure you leave a like and a comment on this video, because I will be answering all your questions, and see you guys in the next video.